I'm not white, black, man, woman, young, old. If we want to progress on the path, then if we...
I'm just saying, yeah, I'm watching it now on the computer. It's live, the temple's Mahatma.
Can you turn off your mic, please? Thank you. Yeah. So, if we want to advance on the spiritual path, attachment, we're naturally attached to so many things. So attachment is natural, but too much attachment becomes a problem. Because whatever we're most attached to is where our mind goes. And if we're too attached to things, material things, that's where our mind goes. So it's considered an offense, therefore, that as you elevate yourself through the process, what happens is you naturally become detached. But sometimes you don't allow that natural attachment to continue. You pull back a little bit. I don't want to give that up. Krishna's kind of helping you let go of something, and then you kind of grab onto it. I stayed too much identified with my body. This is who I am, that identity. If we're too attached to that identity, too closely involved with it, that's that offense of maintaining material attachment. It really means identifying with the body. And then not having faith in chanting means something like, I don't think I can become pure by this chanting. I don't think it'll work. I've done too many sinful things. I've done too many bad things. It's not going to work on me. It'll work on anybody. It's you or anybody. It doesn't matter. But it doesn't work when you don't think it's going to work. When you lack that faith that it's going to work, then it doesn't work.